Okay, welcome to Fun with Physics. It's been a while. What we're going to look at is the electromagnetic spectrum. Okay, and there's a really good way of remembering this, and it's giant xylophones usually live in music rooms. Okay, and what this means is we've got gamma, X-ray, ultraviolet, light, infrared, microwave, and radio. Okay, starting this end, we've got our really high frequency, okay, which is gamma. And then down here, we've got our low frequency. Now, if you think high frequency is loads and loads of waves per second, low frequency is very few waves per second. This means that these ones are the most dangerous because they've got the most amount of energy. Now, gamma is very dangerous. X-rays, we know that if you have an X-ray, they ask you, have you had many X-rays before? Because you should only have so many, otherwise it can cause cancer. Ultraviolet, this can cause skin cancer. That's very common for causing skin cancer. Visible light, we've got infrared, so this is thermal energy transfer, thermal radiation, that's how that transfers. We've got microwaves, which are used for communication, quite often used in questions when you're talking about satellites because they can pass through the ionosphere. And then we've got radio waves. Okay, now if we look at a question like this, it says, which type of electromagnetic radiation has the shortest wavelength? And state one difference between an ultraviolet wave and a visible light wave. So let's refer back to this. The first one, which type of electromagnetic wave has the shortest? It's gamma. Okay, because if it has a high frequency, it has a very short wavelength. So the first answer is gamma. So it's this one. Okay, and state one difference between ultraviolet and visible light. Well, ultraviolet and visible light are these two here. What's the difference? Ultraviolet has a higher frequency than visible light. Nice and easy. And if you can remember this, you're definitely on the money when answering these sorts of questions.